Hey everybody, just Ron here. I'm going to do another unboxing today. Before I start on this unboxing, I'm going to give a shout out to my old action camera, which is the Katso 4K Ultra HD camera. It's the EK7000 4K Ultra HD with the Wi-Fi. Great camera. If you look at some of my older videos, sorry to throw it off like that, didn't mean to do it. Look at some older videos with my car and when I went to New York and Boston, and I hadn't posted the New York and Boston trips yet. Stabilization's not that great, but we're gonna move on to the new camera. And I went on Amazon, did some research. I was torn between getting a GoPro or not, joining the GoPro family. So I decided to go with the DJI. I'll tell you one thing, the people who take that together, they did a hell of a job at the factory, I'll tell you that much. Anyway, it is boxed like a madman. Got a bunch of pop bubble wrap. And here we go. We got it. We finally got to the camera. So, here's what I picked up. The Osmo Action from DJI. I know it's not a GoPro, but for the price I paid for it and some of the features it has, I was really excited about it. And I really wanted to try it out. I have a colleague who used this same camera. So on the back here, there's some different types of features here. Of course, we're going to go into them when we open the box up, but I'll get close here so you can kind of see, take a snapshot, pause. Some of the main features that I wanted to show on this camera. And as we open it up and go through the unboxing, we will go through more details of each one. And I'll kind of show it to you. I know there's a lot of videos on YouTube where they're going to go into way more techier details, and those are great too. But I know it's a lot of videos on YouTube where they're going to go into more techier details. But just from the average Joe, I kind of want to just give you my perspective and see, you know, if this is something you want to purchase or if you've used one before. So let's go ahead and start opening it up, and we'll get started. Alright, so first off, take the plastic off. It was wrapped pretty well, so that's good. It seemed like the box is pretty tight. I think it might actually slide out. Let's take the plastic all the way off. We don't need the plastic. Getting this first part of the cover off is pretty amazing feat in itself. Taking that off. Didn't want to damage the box, but I guess I had to get it out, which I guess is a sign of good quality. First thing that comes out is this package here. It says, throw away, do not eat. So let's throw that away. So first off, we have the camera itself, the camera unit itself. That's good. Let's see what else is in this box. There's another box farther down. Here's padding. Can't forget your padding. Another box here. And let's open it up and see what's inside this. I'm assuming this is going to be your batteries and your accessories. So let's open this up here. I'll tell you one thing, these boxes are made pretty tough. If this is any reflection on how the product will be, it's going to be tough. These boxes are tough to open up. So we got a mount here, which has the sticky tape on the bottom, I shouldn't say. There is, let's open this up and see what's in here. Your cables to connect to the camera. Connector is going to go into your mount here. And this is another thing you can mount to. It once again has a 3M sticky stuff on the back, which you can use to permanently put it somewhere if you want to. And it comes with the DJI case on your new battery. And there it is. There's the battery. Also, there's a slot for your memory card as well. So when you're traveling, this all goes in one. You keep it all together, you won't lose your stuff. Also, there are a couple of manuals. Osmo Action manual. And I'm thinking this is warranty paperwork, which we will read and keep to the side. And I think for the box, that is it inside the box. This camera came with a lot of accessories. This one really didn't, but I think a lot of the accessories are universal. And also too, I have a ton of accessories with my old GoPros and my old action cams, so I'm not really worried about needing to purchase additional accessories. I'm gonna get some accessories that are unique to this, like an adapter, so I can use a mic, and then I'm gonna get a boom mic to go on the outside. But most of my hookups and connections and gear will be the same ones I used on my other unit and also too on GoPros in the past. So let's pull the camera out. So the thing about this camera, the Somi was, and this plastic is on, so sorry, but there's two screens. This is a touch screen on the back, right? On the front, there's also a screen too. So when you're doing your vlogging, you know, for me, it was hard with the other one. I didn't know if I was in the screen or not. So now I can know if I'm in the screen or not. So this would be great. Makes vlogging easier. The camera itself comes in a case. So talk about like case that you need, a mounting case. It comes in one already. So you can take that off. I'm not gonna take it off just because I don't want to. Also, too, another cool feature about this camera is that it has the removable lens cover. And they have additional filters as well you can use. You can purchase those online on Amazon. They're pretty low. I'm going to link everything I've purchased for the camera into the bottom of the description so you can get it as well. So you got your cover here that's going to protect your camera, your lens. You can put different filters on to get different pictures. This is 4K, 60 wide. It also has the rock steady feature, but my other action camera didn't. And so if you look at some of my other videos, I'm bouncing around a lot. It's bouncing. Whereas this thing here has the rock steady on it, where you can use it, walk around, do things, be actionable, and it will keep it pretty steady. There's also a time-lapse feature on this as well, which is pretty cool. It's slow motion. It's waterproof up to about 36 feet. I know on the back of the box it says 11 meters. So you do your conversion right there. The back is touchscreen, so this is pretty cool. And that works out great. The front is a screen as well. Of course, it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and all your other things too as well. And it has two buttons on top. One for your power display and one for your record. So we're recording, power display. And there's also a quick switch button here, which is pretty cool. So so you can switch between your modes really quick, and a lot of other cool features you can do with this as well. So the quick switch says right here, actually it says if you can see that close enough or not, switches modes, switches screens. So if you want to switch between your screens, this button goes as well. This is your on off button here, display, and this is your shutter for pictures or record. So, and like I said, it's the Osmo Action. I'm going to charge this thing up, and I'm going to actually take out the case here, the case that it came mounted in, just so I can get a better picture for you guys. The case is very sturdy. I like it. As you see it now, I'm struggling to get it out of here, which is pretty cool. I don't want to break it though, but so it was in there pretty good. So I got the case off, as you can see here, and let's look at the camera a little bit closer without the case being on, just so you guys can have an idea what you're purchasing. I really like the rugged feel. The outside has texture on it, so it's not all slick and smooth. There's the compartment where the battery goes at. When you put the battery in, it will close this compartment out. There's a button here to release as well. This piece here comes off, and this is where you put your memory card on the side here. You can see that. Goes back in and just snaps up. Your battery will go on the bottom. And there's a spot on the side if you want to hook up your adapter to charge and to hook up your 3.5 audio as well. If you want to put a boom mic or something small on here, you can do that as well. And that's what I'm going to plan on doing. So I'm going to have the adapter off. I'm going to have the adapter off to the side. Another case that I bought to go around this. Connect the boom mic to the side. And I'll be using this to record and what I'm going to go. So I won't have to borrow my daughter's camera anymore. And she's using the EOS M50 Canon, which is great. I love it. She picked up a really good camera, and she's using it on her YouTube channel too as well. So there's a quick unboxing showing you what you're going to get when you purchase this camera. Like I said, I'm going to do more videos once I play around with it, so I can give you some real honest feedback on it. And it goes in like this, and then it comes back around, snaps in, similar to what you have on the GoPro or any other camera. So I'm going to do some more videos with this before I start recording. I'm going to charge the battery up and then play around with it a little bit too. I could do another video on how to use it and how to set it up as well, but I just wanted to kind of get the unboxing video started. And also be on the lookout for another video where I'm going to show you all of my attachments and show you how I take this camera from this stage here and make it into a studio style camera where I can use not only on the go for action, but also not only use it while I'm on the go for an action cam, but I also can use it to do more unboxings and more videos and other things like that as well when I get the mic installed. So once again, it's been a box opening for the Osmo Action DJI. Said I will post everything here. I purchased it on Amazon. I'll post all of the details and specs. Thanks for watching the video. If you have one of these cameras, let me know how it works if you like it. Okay, so I'm going to take off the luxurious plastic here, just because it's not going to cause any damage to this fine piece of machinery. Let's collapse plastic over your front camera and your back camera. Now what I'm going to do is, real quick for you guys, because I only charged it up a little while, let's go ahead and just hit the power on button. And there it is, your setup. It's English. Let me clean that screen up because it's pretty bad. The screen's always dirty when I record. So when you power up thing, you can scan. And it says you can skip it's 5 times remaining. So it says activate this, which you want to do. And it gives you the camera's name and everything else. So you want to activate that. I'm going to use my Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus to take a picture of that. Photo. There it is. Popped up. You see it? So now it'll pop up in my browser and I'm good to go. So I will register that later on. So now it says skip. So now it wants me to set up my date. Today is, as I look back at my Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, it is the 11th of December. So I'll go down, I go to 11, and I'll go to, it's all touchscreen here, 2020, which has been a crazy year. Alright, so then I hit check on the date, and then it asks me for a time. I'll go back to my Samsung Galaxy S20 to figure out what time it is. It's 8 o'clock p.m. So 8 p.m. Hit that. Alright, now so we're ready to go now. So please activate before use. Skipped activations remaining 4. So I'm going to activate before I use it. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys some of the footage on it before you can tap here to switch the mode and can go from video to slow-mo to HDR video to time-lapse. That's for video. For photo, you can do AEB, photo, and burst. Burst. You can also do timed. And then custom, you can set up your own custom stuff as well here as well. So I think I remember I told you about the quick switch button. Clicking on it now without being set up, it goes from, it has no SD card, which tells me I can't do anything. So the quick switch goes to video, and I can change it from there. Video, HR video, slow motion, time lapse, and photo. So that's my quick set menu there. So this thing's about to die, and I shouldn't probably use it until I charge it up, but I just wanted to show you this real quick. And my camera's about to die as well, so I will add this in the video. Everybody, thanks a lot. You take care, and I will see you around. Just Ron is out. Thank you.